Your Adobe Creative Cloud membership renews automatically if your payment information is up to date. If your Creative Cloud membership has expired, it's easy to restart or renew it. To manage your payment information and your active subscriptions, visit account.adobe.com and log in with your Adobe ID. Click on the Plans tab, then select Manage Plan, then Manage Payment. You can then edit your payment information in the pop-up window. If a payment fails, extra payment attempts are made after the due date. If payment continues to fail, your Creative Cloud account becomes inactive and the paid features of your account are deactivated. To reactivate them, visit account.adobe.com, log in with your Adobe ID, click on the Plans tab, then select Manage Plan, then Manage Payment. Once payment is accepted, launch the Creative Cloud desktop app, click on your profile image and sign out. In the next screen, sign in again with your Adobe ID and password to reset your Creative Cloud license. To learn more about managing your Adobe ID account, watch our next video and don't forget to subscribe.